You see this guy right here? He just bet $5,000 on a race, and he's so confident on winning, he's giving the other racer a 17-car lead.
You get 17 cars.
17 cars.
Yep, nothing else to talk about.
That's it?
Block motors.
I don't know what that guy was thinking. He must have just seen this video right here and thought he could do the same. What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to Exotic Rubber, and today we are going to be seeing one of my favorite themes in racing.
Cotton racer getting.
Up next, we have a driver who's about to sell his car, but he had one last request to the buyer. He said, "Let me rip it through the canyons one last time."
I shouldn't wreck it before I tell it to you. Yeah, right. That is my problem.
Yeah, right? That's funny. Woo! Oh, yeah.
Shit!
Oh.
I get it. I wrecked it.
Yeah.
Next up, we have one of my other favorite themes in racing, hypercars versus sleepers. And to be honest, the sleeper never had a chance.
I hope you're ready. I got a car for you tonight to race.
Run that Bugatti.
That's who I want you to run. Game face, bro.
I try to do a 20 roll with the F-150 versus Bugatti Chiron.
And then a 40 roll probably?
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
Doesn't.
Man, these unks are crazy. In this next clip, we have an unk in a BMW M8 thinking he's the fastest guy in town.
What's that? This is 911?
This is a 911.
Can't beat this.
I can't be that.
You can't beat that.
I bet you 100,000.
Google it when you get a chance.
Okay, don't move, don't move, don't move. You said, okay, go.
I literally just picked it up, so I haven't learned how to launch.
Yeah, I understand, I understand.
I just picked it up.
But
Brand new.
brand new?
Yeah, I haven't learned to work the launch.
Yeah, listen to me, right?
Huh?
The best advice, right? There's a Porsche dealer right up there. Go trade it in. Get a 911.
It does not. Google it when you get to. Once I learn to launch this,
Yeah.
I tell you what. I'll give you my number.
Boys, before we get back into today's video, I want to show you guys something I've been using on my truck lately. This is the Wolfbox G900 Tri-Pro bumper, and honestly, it's one of the coolest dash cams I've ever tested. It records 3 different angles with a 4K front camera, 2.5K rear camera, and a 1080p front bumper camera, giving you way better coverage around your car while helping eliminate blind spots. My favorite part has to be the bumper camera. It's great for pulling into parking spots, avoiding curbs, and spotting obstacles that are normally hidden right in front of your bumper. Especially if you drive a lowered car, you know what I'm talking about. Plus, the rear and bumper cameras are IP67 rated, so they're built to handle dust and water. I'm also really impressed with the night footage. All 3 cameras record in HDR, so it's super easy to pick up license plates and details even in low light conditions. You can switch between all 3 cameras or use split screen mode to see every angle at once. And when I need to save a clip, the built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi transfers footage to my phone about 4 times faster than traditional dash cams. So boys, if you're looking for that dash cam that covers your car from every angle, check out the Wolfbox G900 Tri-Pro bumper. Click the link in the description below and make sure to use the discount code to save money on your next Wolfbox purchase. Now this next one is quite the opposite. Instead of the racer's ego getting destroyed, this time it's the haters watching from the sidelines.
You're in the pro line. You're not a pro. So don't get in this line again.
Next up, we have a 1,000 horsepower Honda Civic who was getting ready to bully a Lamborghini, but the Lamborghini had other plans in mind. Okay, now this next one's kind of sad. We have an Audi who thought he was about to pass up a GTR just before the GTR realized he hadn't even reached the 6th gear. It's always the Hellcat owners who think they're the fastest in town. This next guy, he's no different.
91 smoke, so we about to give it to him. What's up, bro? Hey, that's a slow car, homie. Come on, man.
Boys, I have one request for you guys. If you see a Honda with an exhaust coming out of the hood, do not race it, even if it's cute and pink, because it will smoke you. Up next, we have a guy in a Mustang calling out a Ferrari 812 super fast, but I think the Ferrari left a little too early before the Mustang could hurt his ego.